Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, sorry, I was just having a good time. I know it's been a while, but guess what came in the mail today?
These nuts. Got him!
Guess what came in the mail today? We got some parts. So now we're about to go through these boxes and see what we got. I haven't checked anything yet, so it's gonna be a surprise for me and you. So let's get started. Man, I'm excited. Let's see what we got. I've been waiting for these parts for a while. Oh yeah. We got our tail section that we've been needing. Our subframe for our tail. It looks to be in really good shape. What do you think? I think it looks good, right? I do too. Oh man, that is nice. Super nice. The upper support for the front of the bike. Now what we got in here? Oh, look at that. You know what that is? Man, that is the gauge cluster covers. I hope this works out good so I don't have to replace the whole gauge cluster, because it looked like it just needed a new cover. And man, that's mint. That is in mint condition. So hopefully this works out perfect. Let's see what else we got. Oh, look at that. New key set. And it got the new key in it, because the old key got bent in the accident. And it also has the new gas tank lid, because I had to get this to match the key switch. So that's awesome. That looks good. Let's see what we got in this box. Man, whoever packaged this thing did it. Packaged it well. Oh, snap. Get these puppies open. This exhaust. We went with the factory exhaust on it. This bike. So that's cool. We got two exhausts and they look really nice. Check the other one out. Oh yeah. Those look good. That's real good. Oh man, you know what this is? This right here is the tank. Oh, it's a nice looking tank. Got a few scratches, so it looks like I'm gonna have to paint this one, but at least it's not bent anywhere. It's a nice looking tank. It just needs a coat of paint. But besides that, man, for 200 bucks, this is a pretty good tank. Oh, that's nice. Awesome. Man, let's see what we got in here now. Wow, look at those. Man, those look nice. Parts for the fairing. Man, they're painted really well. ABS plastic. Nice looking windscreen. That's gonna look real good on the bike. Whoa, look at this. The fairings. Man, that fairing looks good. Painted nice, no scratches or anything. That's what I'm talking about. And even the sticker it's painted on to the fairing. Look at that. All right, and the second one looked good as the first one. So these are all my fairing pieces. I'm not gonna take these out right now because I wanna wait till I'm getting ready to put those fairings on. So for right now, we're gonna go ahead and hop on and putting on the subframe and on our upper support on the bike right now. So let go. Well, back here, we're gonna remove the subframe from the bike, and it looks like there are only but 4 screws. You got a screw here, and another screw on this side, and this side, and this one. And everything else should just be removing the wires out of here, and it should slip off pretty easy. This is what the subframe should look like. This one has no damage at all. So we're gonna get this one slipped on here right now. Man, what a difference. Look at that. There's a huge difference. Here it's missing a whole nother half of it like this. So now, only thing I gotta do now is take the forks off, get these switched out and put on a new one. And then we're gonna put the subframe back on. So let's go. Man, look what I found. Found some keys under the tail. And there's the original key that I thought I needed to replace. But now I got a whole nother set.
So it's a spare.
And it's spare. And this looks like some kind of light. All right, let's go. All right, you guys, I got the tail all in place. All of the nuts and bolts are on, and this thing looking really good. Everything went back into the proper position. Got the fuses here, another fuse box. This thing, for a bike like this, I never seen it to have so many fuses. But I got my battery terminal here. So now let's hop on and let's go ahead and put on the upper support. So here go the old upper support arm. It really nothing to it right now. It's just broken off and loose. So now we're about to tear this off and we're gonna put on the new one. Okay, you guys, the upper support bracket is on. This is not an OEM one, this is an aftermarket one, but it fits up really nice. I didn't have any issues with mounting it. Sometime when you get aftermarket things that's not OEM, this hose can be off a little bit, but this one, it bolted right up. No issues at all. Guys, that is a wrap for today. I am so glad to be back working on the R1. We got the tail section and the upper support on, and now we need to get ready to do the gauge, the tank, and put on the exhaust before we get ready to throw on the fairings. So if you haven't done so already, hit that like button and smash that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.